Easy French. My name is Sangita. Today we are doing lesson number 13. The fruits means the fruits. So today we'll learn names of fruits in French. We will also learn how to answer different questions by using articles, verb, être, pronoun, colors. There are two activities at the end of the lesson. So do watch the video till the end. I'll explain my lesson in English as well as in Hindi. So please, if you have not yet liked the video and subscribe my channel, do subscribe and do like the video, and let's start. Now the question is qu'est-ce que c'est means what is it or what is this, and for plural what are these. Both singular and plural question will be same. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay. Now answer is for singular C'est une banane. C'est une banane. Now, guys, I have written in Hindi c'est and ce est. Okay, three pronunciations for the word c'est. Now, this is because in different parts of France, the pronunciation changes. So it's up to you. All three are correct. You can use any one. Ce est. Ce est is because of the vowel over here, and T again a vowel after T. So it becomes ce est. So your choice. So c'est une banane means it's a banana. In plural, ce sont des bananes. These are bananas. Okay. Next. So again, qu'est-ce que c'est? So guys, I am writing this qu'est-ce que c'est again and again so that you repeat with me loudly, and then only your tongue starts twisting and you become fluent in a language. So repeat with me, qu'est-ce que c'est? Now you know it is what is this and what are these, singular and plural both. So for singular, your answer will be, now it's a orange, you know. So c'est une orange, c'est une orange, it's an orange. And in plural, ce sont des oranges, ce sont des oranges. These are oranges. Next fruit is mango. So qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this or what are these? So c'est une mangue. C'est une mangue means it's a mango, and ce sont des mangues means these are mangoes. So ce sont, these are, des mangues, these are mangoes. Now repeat with me again. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What are these? So c'est une papaye. C'est une papaye. It's a papaya. Now plural, ce sont des papayes. Ce sont des papayes. These are papayas. Next is, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this or what are these? C'est un lychee, singular. C'est un lychee. It's a lychee. Ce sont des lychees. These are lychees. This will be plural. Lychees will take a S. Ce sont des lychees. So guys, if you're finding my video interesting, so please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for that. And let's start. So say with me, qu'est-ce que c'est? So qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? So now singular. So c'est un raisin. C'est un raisin. It's a grape. In plural, ce sont des raisins. Ce sont des raisins. These are grapes. और please जल्दी से वीडियो को लाइक करें and let's move ahead. Again, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What are these? C'est une cerise. C'est une cerise. It's a cherry. Ce sont des cerises. Plural. Ce sont des cerises. These are cherries. Please, guys, do hit the like button. So let's move ahead. So now, again, say with me, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? So quickly, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What are these? So, c'est une pêche. C'est une pêche. It's a peach. And in plural, ce sont des pêches. Ce sont des pêches. These are peaches. And on pêche, you see that on top of E, there's an accent. So you have to write in the comment section and tell me which accent is this. There are two videos on accents. Go through them. The links are there in the description box and tell me that which accent is this. Okay. So let's move ahead. So guys, before starting, a small request that do watch the video till the end. There are two activities at the end of the lesson. Okay, so don't miss them. So now again the same question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Say with me. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What are these? So c'est une prune. C'est une prune. It's a plum. Plural. Ce sont des prunes. Ce sont des prunes. These are plums. And guys, please like the video and let's move ahead. So, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What are these? So, in singular form, we'll say c'est un ananas. C'est un ananas. Three n, okay, because of the vowels. So, c'est un ananas. It's a pineapple. And in plural, ce sont des ananas. Ce sont des ananas. These are pineapples. It's a pineapple. These are pineapples. Now, this is again, qu'est-ce que c'est? Say with me, qu'est-ce que c'est? So now this is a watermelon. So c'est une pastèque. C'est une pastèque. It's a watermelon in plural. Ce sont des pastèques. Ce sont des pastèques. These are watermelon. Now guys, there is a accent again over E. So write in the comment section that watermelon and then write the name of the accent. Okay. So let me see how much you have understood. Uh, so next fruit is. So guys, I hope that you are reading it loudly with me. So again, qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? What are these? So these are dates. In English we say dates and in Hindi we say khajur. Okay. So c'est une date. C'est une date. It's a date. And in plural, ce sont des dates. Ce sont des dates. These are dates. Question is, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What are these? C'est une fraise. C'est une fraise. It's a strawberry. Ce sont des fraises. Ce sont des fraises. These are strawberries, plural. Guys, it is impossible to learn any language without knowing the basics. So these are some basic videos. Go through them, learn them by heart, learn the nouns with along with the articles. Then only you will be able to learn a new language. This is my suggestion. All links are there in the description box. So accents, pronoun, verb, être, colors, definite and indefinite article, qu'est-ce que c'est versus qui est ce, plus alphabets and numbers as well. Okay, so let's start. So guys, the next question what we can frame on fruits will be de quelle couleur est la mangue? So repeat after me. De quelle couleur est la mangue? Once again, de quelle couleur est la mangue? Means of what color is the mango? Now we know that mango is yellow. Plus, we already know that mango is feminine. So you have to learn all the fruits, vegetable, whatever noun we are talking about, you should know about masculine and feminine of that thing, whatever the noun is. This I have already shown you in my video indefinite article that how in Hindi everything is masculine and feminine. Similarly in French, everything is masculine or feminine. Then your colors and all the other adjectives change according to the noun. Your noun is masculine, the color will become masculine. The noun is feminine, the color will become feminine. Same way, singular and plural. So the question is, de quelle couleur est la mangue? Or what color is the mango? So in singular, la mangue, singular. So you'll one way is elle est jaune. It is jaune. Now, I have also told you in indefinite article that there is no it in French. So, all it is translated to il and elle. So go through that video. It's a very important and an interesting video. So L-A jaune, say L-A jaune means it is yellow, means mango is yellow. And if you want to say other way, you can say la mangue est jaune. La mangue est jaune. Repeat after me. La mangue est jaune. Okay. So the mango is yellow. Now in the plural form, de quelle couleur sont les mangues? Repeat with me. De quelle couleur sont les mangues? Means of what color are the mangoes? Now mangoes have become plural with the S. So your verb être will become plural. Article will also become plural. Okay. Now the answer will be elles sont jaunes. Say again. Elles sont jaunes. They are yellow. Other way. Les mangues sont jaunes. Les mangues sont jaunes. The mangoes are yellow. Okay. So activity 1, I have given you 3 questions. You have to find the answers. Okay. So de quelle couleur est la prune? De quelle couleur est la prune? So how you are going to answer? La prune, and then you add whatever color you want to add. Clear? Next is de quelle couleur sont les fraises? Now, yes, see that this has changed. So you should understand why this has changed. Reason out for yourself. I'm not going to help you over here. So find the answer. First, find what is the meaning of phrase. Then you see it's masculine or feminine. Rewind the video, go through it again. Okay. Now, third is the quelle couleur est la grenade. The quelle couleur est la grenade. Grenade means pomegranate. So there's a video on pomegranate. The link is there in the description box. Go through it and then you answer this question. Okay. Now the next activity is, so guys, before going ahead, a small request that please hit the like button and please share and subscribe my video so that it reaches to other people and they can also learn a new language. Okay. Now, first fruit is apple, yani ki seb. Second is sitapal, that is custard apple. Third is anar, in English pomegranate, and this is jackfruit. In Hindi we say it as kathel. We say kathel, other states I really don't know. In Hindi it is kathel. So all these videos are on my channel. Go through them, find the singular and plural, write them number of time, learn the spellings by heart, learn which fruit is masculine, which fruit is feminine, and then try to frame the question. De quelle couleur est la, then grenade. If you want to say pomegranate, then grenade. Then find the color. Now if you want to say red, then you should know what is red in feminine form, what is red in masculine form, in singular form, plural form. This you have to learn by heart. Okay. If you want to say white, then what is white in singular, what is white in plural, in masculine, feminine. You know that colors keep on changing according to masculine, feminine, singular and plural. So you have to learn all these things by heart. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and have a nice day. Bye bye.